In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the default export file type to PNG on your GIMP application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Edit tab at the top, and then go down and select Preferences. On the left panel, select Image, Import, and Export near the top. And then on the right side, if you scroll down underneath Export File Type, Default Export File Type, click the drop down and you want to select PNG Image and then select OK to save it at the bottom. And that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.